Your immune system is like an army. But here's the question, why doesn't that army ever turn its weapons on you? Well, actually sometimes it does. What if I told you that the answer to this mystery was only answered in the last 30 years? This year, 2025, the Nobel Prize for Medicine goes to the 3 scientists that discovered the peacekeeper cells that kept the immune system in check. Now imagine your immune system like an army. Its job is clear, which is to fight invaders, be it bacteria, viruses, or even cancer cells. But sometimes these soldiers get a bit confused and start attacking their own city, you. If there's no control, things go wrong and soldiers start firing on friendly targets. And that's called autoimmunity. So diseases like type 1 diabetes, lupus, multiple sclerosis are all caused by autoimmune conditions. But even the biggest killers worldwide, like heart attacks and strokes, have an element of autoimmunity to them. So how does your body actually stop the immune system from going rogue? Well, for decades, scientists knew that there was some kind of command system that kept things in check, but they were missing one major part of this puzzle. They didn't know who was giving these stand-down orders. Your immune defenses actually have 2 layers. You've got the innate and adaptive immune systems. The innate system is a very generalist protection system that reacts to any kind of damage. On the other hand, the adaptive immune system is trained to fight against specific targets. Now, a major player in the adaptive immune system is T cells. You've got loads of T cells, about 300 billion of them in your body. Now, each of these T cells reacts to a particular molecule, ideally something on an invader, like a bacterium or a virus. But because we make so many of these T cells, we sometimes make ones that react to the wrong targets, like ourselves. There is a particular filtering system called central tolerance that stops many of these T cells from reaching the rest of our body. So at the site where T cells mature and develop, which is in an organ called the thymus, sitting in the top of the chest, the T cells are filtered out if they are reacting to yourself. But still, because we're making so many of these T cells, some of them escape this protection mechanism and reach the rest of the body. For decades, scientists thought that this was the only safeguard, but it turns out they were wrong.